Schedule 3 is where you report extra credits and payments that don't fit on the main Form 1040, like the foreign tax credit, education credits, or estimated tax payments. Its totals flow back onto your 1040. Let's fill out an example. At the top, enter the name and social security number exactly as they appear on your Form 1040. Part 1 covers non-refundable credits. Line 1 is the foreign tax credit. Line 2, the child and dependent care credit. Line 3, education credits, and so on down. Anna claims a $2,500 education credit on line 3, carried over from her Form 8863. Add the Part 1 credits on line 8. That total carries to your Form 1040 and lowers your tax. Part 2, just below, works the same way for refundable credits and other payments like estimated taxes. That's Schedule 3. Attach it to your 1040 when you file. You can fill it out free at FormsPal, then download and print it. This is general information, not tax advice.